And the winner was... Hello, welcome back to the channel. I'm not really sure what this video is going to be about, to be perfectly honest, but I just felt like I needed to get on and sort of make myself accountable for everything and sort of give, I suppose, people the truth about what I've been doing, which isn't much. It's I've been struggling for many reasons recently. So yeah, so because of that, I've kind of stopped buying so much, but I've still got a lot of stuff to get through. But also I'm running out of room in my loft because I've not been listing as much, so I decided to bring a load of stuff down into my office room where I keep all my stock. And because of that, and because I haven't really been listing, it's now a bit of a mess in here. As you can probably see, that's all sort of full up there. They're actually to go out, they've sold, but these are bits I brought down to get listed. I've got loads of boxes there. I've got there's some like wrapping paper which was from my son's birthday, which I'll use as filler. And some boots I brought down as well because I thought I'd get those listed. I've just got loads of other packaging and other boxes of books and bags of books, and oh, it's just all a bit manic in here at the minute. So yeah, so I thought I'd come on, show you how bad it is so at least I can try and get it sorted, and then I'll be able to hopefully come back to you and I'll feel better for it, and you'll know that I'm actually doing something to hold me account, if that makes sense. But yes, but because I've not been listing as much, my sales have not been as good, so I've not been shifting as much stuff out, which means I've got piles up of boxes, load of stock. I've got a couple of gaps forming, as you can probably see up there. But yeah, it's just been a bit manic few weeks. Well, my actual job has been fairly busy and I've just got lots of stuff to do for that, and I've been falling way behind on that, so I'm trying to catch up when I can in evenings. With that, it was my son's birthday, so that's you know, it's been a bit manic. The weekend was just all a bit manic, a party, and then there was something else we had to do on Sunday, so yeah, it's just there's a lot going on. So I thought I'd just come on, show you that it's not all good. There is life and stuff that gets in the way of being a reseller, and this is it. So yeah, so I've got a plan for tonight to have a little bit of a tidy up, try and get things sorted, and then take a few pictures, get a few bits listed, and at least I've got some pictures because I've run out of, I usually have like a bank of pictures so I can just get stuff listed as and when I get a chance to. But I've gone through all those. I went through those about a week ago. I just haven't had a chance to get any other pictures done. So so instead of getting pictures done, I thought I'd procrastinate a little bit first, do a video, and then I might come back to you later or tomorrow to sort of let you know where I'm up to. Also wanted to do this video because I've got to pick a winner of the competition from a couple of videos back, so I will do that as well later on in the video. So thank you for everyone that entered that, everyone that commented on that video. I will do that later on in the video, so stay tuned. Right, so I'm back. This is the following day now. So last night I managed to get a few bits sorted out, not a huge amount, but it feels a little bit better in here. I mainly just parcelled up. I had 6 items to get shipped out which needed to be done, so I thought if I get them out of the way, then at least that's clearing some room, and it clears some boxes as well, which it did. And then I had very little time left at the end because I then faffed about doing not much after I'd done the packaging. But I managed to get another 4 or 5 items photographed, 1 or 2 listed of those. So that was, it's not great, but it's definitely a start. So tonight my plan is to try and get some more bits photographed. So as you can see up here, I've got some odd bundles. I've got some bits down there, some bundles of stuff. So I'm going to try and clear some of those out. Get some of these magazines listed. Some of these books which I actually picked up yesterday, I think. And some other, I've got some more gardening books, so I kind of think this time of year is probably the best time to get gardening books listed, and just try and get a few more bits pictured and hopefully boost my store a bit. That's the plan anyway. And maybe some of those boots actually, because they've been sitting there for ages, so I need to get moving on them, otherwise they will just sit there forevermore. Yes. There we go. I don't know whether to leave it there or just keep going with another day. Yeah, what I think I'll do, I think I'll leave it there. So I've made progress. I'm going to keep making progress. I think I just need to use this time to try and get as much listed as possible. There's a lot of stuff on here as well. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot of books which I've just picked up, and they're not part of bundles as such. They're just ones that I've put on there for the time being until I can sort them into a bundle. So I might try and sort some of that out and basically get rid of it up the loft until I can make a bundle of it, or put it with some other bits that are up the loft to make a bundle. That's probably the best thing to do. Yeah, I think I'll crack on and do that. But yes, what I shall do now, I shall put a little video up. So I did the draw for the competition. So a couple of videos ago I did a competition for a bundle of books. I will just get the bundle of books. I just got the bundle of books. In doing so, I've just like completely collapsed a pile of books. So that was fun. I'll sort that out in a minute. It's the current mess the problems I'm dealing with. I've got bits piled up. Anyway, so here is the pile of books. So a couple of Stephen King books. So hardback Misery, Dark Tower one, Jurassic Park, a Dean Koontz, and Hour of the Wolf. So it's a bit of a mishmash of mostly horrors, action in Jurassic Park. If I remember right, the book was a lot better than the film, but the film was obviously good back in the day, but the book was a lot better. So yes, there we go. I should put a video up now. Not sure how long that takes, but I will put that up. And the winner was Kev the Reseller. Congratulations, Kev. If you message me on Instagram, I know we chat on Instagram anyway. So drop me a message, send me your address. I'll get those sent out to you ASAP for you. Feel free to say resell them if you don't want to read them. Do what you want with them, really. You can give them away. You can sell them, read them, whatever you want to do. They are yours to keep, or to do with what you will. So yeah, I'll get them sent out. I am getting closer to 1,000 subscribers, so I think I'll probably try and do another giveaway when I get to 1,000. See how that goes. It could be in a couple of years' time, the way things are going. But yes, there we go. I think I should leave that there. It's a bit of a weird video. Not really much has happened. I'm just kind of trying to keep you updated, I suppose, with what I'm up to. how I'm doing with it. I just feel a bit more positive today. Yesterday just felt a bit of a downer. I don't know, I just think it was just so manic in here, and even though it's not neat in here now, it just feels a little bit better mentally. So yeah, if you have any ideas of how I can improve this, then please let me know in the comments below. Yes, but thank you very much for watching. I hope this isn't too boring, and you do actually take something from this, even if it is just me gibbering on, and you can look behind me and see what's selling. But yes, thank you very much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye.